Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the textbook activity in lesson number 9, Weather and Seasons. Before doing the textbook activity, just we are going to recall what we have learned earlier. Open page number 53. Page number 53. See, here you can see weather. What is weather? The day-to-day change in the condition of the air of a place is called weather. The day-to-day change in the condition of the air of a place is called weather. And what is the season? Sit down. The year is divided into different periods according to weather. These periods are known as seasons. These periods are known as seasons. Is it clear, children? Already have learned about weather and seasons. And what are the seasons in India? First one, spring season. See here, spring seasons comes between winter and summer. Winter and summer, between winter and summer seasons. So we have spring season in the months of February and March. Months of February and March. What are the fruits? Grapes, lemons and apricots are the fruits that we get in spring season. Is it clear, children? See, new leaves grow on trees. New leaves grows on trees and flowers bloom. Flowers bloom. The weather is neither too hot nor too cold. So this is about what season? Spring season. Is it clear, children? And now coming to summer season. Summer season. Summer is the hottest season of the year. April and May are summer seasons. That's why you'll be getting summer holidays. Because the weather will be too hot, so you'll be getting summer holidays. And what are the fruits you'll get in summer season? Mangoes, watermelons, lychees and jamuns are the fruits we get in summer season. And we wear light cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. Is it clear? And we like to swim. In summer holidays, you'll be going for swimming also. And like to have juices and ice creams to feel cool. So you'll be drinking lemon juice, mango juices like that to keep our body cool. So this is about summer season. And coming to monsoon season. See, monsoon season is also known as rainy season. Is it clear, children? So the monsoon season comes in the months of June to September. June to September. June to September means 4 months. June, July, August, September. So these 4 months. And what are the fruits you'll get in the monsoon season? See here, we'll be getting guavas, chicos in monsoon, grapes also in monsoon season. Is it clear, children? And we wear raincoats, jackets, and we use umbrellas in rainy season. Why? If we use this, we won't become wet. Is it clear, children? So this is about monsoon season. And the next one is autumn season. Next one is autumn season. See, autumn comes season after summer and before winter. So autumn season comes in the months of October and November. October and November. So the weather begins to get cool. The weather begins to get cool because after this you'll be getting winter season. Is it clear, children? So here in autumn season, the trees shade their leaves. The trees shade their leaves. And pumpkins and apples are the fruits of this season. Is it clear, children? And we wear light woolen clothes. Light woolen clothes because the weather will be somewhat cool. So we will be wearing light woolen clothes like sweater shirts and jackets. Is it clear, children? And coming to the last season. What is that last season? Winter season. Winter season. So in winter season the weather remains very cold, and it also snows in hilly areas. It also snows in hilly areas. So what are the months? December and January. November, December and January are the coldest months. Is it clear, children? See, as the weather is very cold, we like to sit outside in the sun to feel warm. And we like to drink hot soups like coffee, tea, milk. Why? To keep our body warm. Is it clear, children? So what are the fruits we get in winter season? Oranges and guavas. Oranges and guavas are the fruits of this winter season. Is it clear, children? Now see the question here down in 55 page. Write the names of the months when you have summer holidays in your school. When you have summer holidays? In April and May. So write in the dash April, April, May, May in the second dash. Now turn the page. See, here they have given some pictures. You have to identify the pictures, in which season they are, and then you have to write the name of the season. See here, first one. See, the flowers bloom. In which season the flowers bloom? In spring season. So write down in the dash SPRING, spring. And the second picture. See, there are mangoes and the sun is too hot and the girl is swinging the cradle. In which season you want to play outside in the evening? And in which season we get mangoes? In summer season. So write down SUMMER, summer. And now see the next page. Next picture. So what is there in the next picture? See, the leaves are shading. All the brown color leaves are falling down and no new leaves on the tree branches. So in which season the leaves shade? In autumn season. So write in the dash AUTUMN, autumn. Is it clear, children? And now see the next picture. What is there in the next picture? See, all the snow. In hilly areas it snows heavily in winter season. So which season? Winter season. Write in the dash WINTER, winter. Is it clear, children? Now see the down one. Circle the clothes that we should wear in the winter season. What type of clothes you will wear in winter season? Woolen clothes and jackets. See here, this is the first one is sweater. So circle for sweater. And the second one is jacket. Because the jacket also, we can use this jacket in rainy season, in monsoon season and also in winter season. Because the jacket will keep our body warm. So circle jacket. And monkey cap. So these are the clothes, the remaining clothes that we wear in summer season. Because they are light cotton clothes. Is it clear, children? So circle, sweater, jacket and monkey cap. So these are the clothes we wear in winter season. Now see the next page. We are having fill in the blanks in the next page. See here. The season brings rain. Which season brings rain? Monsoon season. So write in the dash MONSOON, monsoon. Is it clear, children? Now see the second one. During this season, trees shade their leaves. In which season the trees shade their leaves? Autumn season. Write in the dash AUTUMN, autumn. And see the third one. We wear warm clothes during this season. When you wear warm clothes? In winter season. Because the weather will be cold, so you wear warm clothes to keep your body warm. So write winter, winter. Finished? Now see the fourth one. We wear light cotton clothes during this season. In which season you will wear light cotton clothes? Summer season. Because the weather is too hot, so you like to wear light cotton clothes. So write SUMMER, summer. And see the last one, fifth one. New leaves grow on trees in this season. In which season new trees grow on trees? New leaves grow on trees? Spring season. So write SPRING, spring. Is it clear, children? See, here you got all the 5 seasons in this fill in the blanks. Is it clear? Now see down. Fourth bit. Now see here. Identify and color the given fruits and vegetables. Write the name of the season in which they grow. So what is the name of the fruit? Mango. So you write mango spelling MANGO, mango on the top of the fruit. And in which season you will get mangoes? In summer season. So SUMMER, summer. Write in the dash. And now see the next picture. What are these? Grapes. So write the spelling of grapes. GRAPES, grapes. And in which season you will get grapes? Spring season. SPRING, spring. Write in the dash. And see the last one. Pumpkin. What is this? Pumpkin. So write the spelling PUMPKIN, pumpkin, on the top of the fruit. And down in the dash, in which season you will get this pumpkin? Autumn season. AUTUMN, autumn. So after writing this, just you do coloring for these fruits. Is it clear, children? So after doing the textbook activity, once again you read the textbook, learn the hard words and question and answers in lesson number 9, Weather and Seasons. Thank you.